In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize all letters in Google Docs. If you need to quickly turn text into all capital letters, Google Docs has a built-in formatting option that makes it very simple. This is especially useful if you're working on headings, titles, labels, or any section of a document that needs stronger visual emphasis. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along step by step. To begin, open your Google Docs document and highlight the text you want to change. Make sure you only select the specific word, sentence, paragraph, or section you want converted, because the formatting will apply only to the text you've selected. If nothing is highlighted, the option may not affect the content you intended to edit. Once your text is selected, move your cursor to the menu bar at the top of Google Docs and click Format. This menu contains a variety of text and paragraph styling tools, so if you don't use it often, take your time and look carefully for the correct option. After clicking Format, hover over or select Text. This opens another menu with more text-related settings. From there, choose Capitalization. This is the setting that controls whether your selected text appears in lowercase, title case, or all uppercase. Now click Uppercase. As soon as you do, Google Docs will instantly convert the selected text into all capital letters. This saves time compared to retyping everything manually and helps keep your formatting consistent across the document. If your goal is not just to change existing text, but to type in all caps as you write, there's an easy keyboard option for that too. Simply press the caps lock key on your keyboard before you start typing. While caps lock is on, everything you type will appear in capital letters. When you're done, press the caps lock key again to return to normal typing. This can be helpful for short sections, but if you accidentally leave it on, you may end up typing more in uppercase than you intended, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on it. That's really all there is to it. Using the format menu is the best method when you want to convert existing text, and caps lock is helpful when you want to type in all caps from the start. With these two simple options, you can quickly control capitalization in Google Docs and format your document exactly the way you want. That's all. Thank you for watching.